Technology, International Relations, and India Yearbook. Science and Technology, please do not spend too much time. It is not cost effective. Read Vision IAS PT 365 in order to understand the important current affairs in science and technology, and watch the relevant Unacademy or YouTube videos to understand the static part. You can read NCRTs for physics, chemistry, and biology, or any other class notes if time permits. But if there's no time, at least follow this. That would suffice. For international relations, follow Vision IS PT 365 or current affairs newspapers, and please mark those locations on the atlas. Focus on the complicated regions because they are very favorite. Okay. For example, the Middle East countries, the Southeast Asian countries, Central Asia, a lot of countries packed together, small countries, complicated borders, water bodies, and countries surrounding these water bodies. So these become very favorite MCQs for UPSC. Now, whether to read India Yearbook or not. See, if you do not have time, just skip it. Okay, there will be 1 or 2 MCQs, but don't waste a couple of days or a week reading India Yearbook. Read only if time permits. Read selectively. Read the basic information regarding India, the national anthem, national emblem, etc. Then Indian polity part, some points, some MCQs are there. They are quite important. I do not have the book, otherwise I would have posted all the important pictures and photos and information here itself. Then certain smaller states like the states of Northeast, they become important. We do not really study them in detail, so it is important to study them, and you can use this India Yearbook to identify important information. For example, the festivals of northeastern states, the various tribes and their cultures, so that can be remembered. If you have time, do read about the states, individual states and their important points. Then certain other stuff becomes important sometimes. There are questions on geographic indications, so एक दिन बैठ के सारे geographic indications पढ़ लो, जितने भी है 100-200. Some of them are really easy to remember, some of them might be difficult, so take screenshots, make a folder, write down important stuff on those pictures itself, like I have done over here. This is Molila clay art of Rajasthan, then the Nirmal toys of Telangana, so this is how I remember it. Then Arani silk sari of Tamil Nadu. So this actress, it used to flash in my eyes whenever anybody talked about Arani silk, and I used to remember it is from Tamil Nadu. So that's how I remembered it. Then Republic Day tableaus, the cultural events that are focused in the previous year's Republic Day parades. This year, the last year, 2-3 years previous to that, you can just see PIB or video on YouTube and focus on the art forms that are displayed in those parades. So that can be important. These things you should do only if you have time, okay, if you are preparing well in advance. Now let's focus on current affairs.